Is it easier or harder being single as you get older? That was a question I was asked by one of my clients the other day, and I thought, that's a really interesting question. Is it easier or is it harder? So in today's video, we'll take the dog out for a walk and we'll discuss it. So let's go. All right, so I was asked this really interesting question by my client the other day. So he's a young lad, only in his 20s, recently broke up with his partner, and he's really struggling with his self-esteem and his confidence and stuff. So we're working on building that back up, but he asked me a question about, does it get easier or harder to be single as you get older? And I thought it was quite interesting. Interesting because he's clearly asking me because I'm ancient. But it gave me something to think about, right? And I thought, actually, is it? And I think it's a bit of both. So I can think back to when I was younger, late teens, early 20s, etc. And I think it was easier back then to meet people because you kind of done it naturally, right? If you were looking to meet somebody, then you'd go out on a Friday or Saturday night. You go to a pub, go to a club, and you'd ask somebody if they want to drink or they want to dance, or you just strike up a conversation, and you'd meet people in real life. And I think the problem with our generation is we were kind of the crossover from the old world to the new digital world. We were kind of in between. So we've got a little bit of, experience about how the digital world works, but not as much as the current generation, the younger generation. And it just feels to me like now, people don't meet one another in that traditional sense anymore by going out to nightclubs and stuff. It's all online. And I guess from that perspective, it does make it a bit harder because it doesn't feel natural for people my age. I'm in my 40s, right? And I've used online dating apps and I'll probably use them again in the future. But there's something about it that just doesn't feel right. I can't explain it, it just doesn't. You don't fully trust who you're talking to. And it's hard to get full-blown conversations going because usually people on dating apps have about 10 conversations going at once. So there's something about it that just doesn't feel authentic, doesn't feel real. And I think that makes it harder for the older generation, my generation. So there's that. I think when you get older as well, a lot of the people around you have settled down. So all my mates, more or less, are settled down now. They're all married off, kids, etc. I did that quite early. So now I find myself single again. My mates are not. So living the single life, as you would expect a lad to do, is a little bit more difficult, I think, as you get older, just because you just haven't got the people around you to do it with. I think it gets harder because expectations from other people. And maybe that's being unfair. Maybe it's not other people, maybe it's ourselves, maybe it's myself. But you go to family parties, weddings, functions, things like that, and you're the one who's on his own, then that gets in your head a little bit, do you know what I mean? And you do sometimes get people asking you, have you not met anyone new recently, blah, blah, blah. But I think maybe it's inside your own head. Maybe the majority of people don't really care, they're not asked. But it does become a thing in your mind, I think. There's a bit more pressure. Like, I'm in my 40s now, I should be settled down again. So I guess from that perspective, it can be harder as you get older. But then again, I think just generally being single can also be easier, because a lot of the issues I find with the clients that I deal with is around the fact that they struggle being single, they struggle after a breakup, but that's because they're not happy within themselves. That's because they've not found that inner happiness. Not to get all fluffy on you, but a lot of it is to do with that. When I think about my younger years, I mean, I'm not that ancient, am I? But when I think about my younger days, I did put a lot of pressure on myself to be in a relationship, because back then, I was in a position where I felt like I couldn't be happy unless I was in a relationship. I needed to have a partner so that I felt good about myself. You know, if she wanted me, then that made me enough, you know? And so I think I put a lot more pressure on myself in my younger years, just because of that, because I felt like I needed to be in a relationship. And also, we grew up in a generation where our parents and our grandparents, that was way more traditional. You know, your parents predominantly stuck together, your grandparents stuck together, separation, divorces, all that stuff. That didn't happen as much. So you kind of grew up in a culture where it was expected you would meet somebody and settle down. So it's definitely felt more pressure. But I think as you get older, certainly for me, and I think about my journey and learning about myself, like who I am, what makes me happy, what makes me sad, what my beliefs are. When I've worked on all of that, I've found that happiness, whether I'm in a relationship or not. Do you know what I mean? It's like, I'm now at the point in my life where I know that a relationship doesn't define me. I know that I don't need to be in a relationship to be happy. I would like to. I'd want to be in a relationship again, but I don't need to be in order to be happy. And there's a big difference between wanting and needing. So I think as you get older, you do get to the point where you're more content on your own. Certainly for me, not for everybody, but certainly for me, you get more content on your own. And also, as you get older, you just can't be arsed. You can't be arsed with things, so you get used to living a life where you play by your rules. You've only got yourself to think about. And I tell you what, it's going to take a lot for somebody to want to disturb that peace, because it is peace. You know, I think about how my life's evolved now. I'm in my 40s, and a lot of it is around finding peace, no drama. I can't be arsed with any shit. But I think when you're younger, you're a bit more open to that, because it can be a bit more exciting if there is a bit of shit going on. But in your 40s, that's definitely not the case, not for me anyway. I just want peace and quiet, no drama. So, you know, you have periods where you do meet people, and you just think, oh, there's just, I can sense they're just full of drama, and I can't be arsed with that. So I think your boundaries are higher as you get older as well. You're a bit more picky, just to protect your peace. So, yeah, I think it's different for everybody, but certainly for me, it's got easier being single as I've got older. You know, I've had several long-term relationships, so I've been single at different points in my life, and at this stage in my life, being single is the easiest stage. But I think maybe that's not to do with my age, maybe that's just to do with the fact that I've put the work in on myself, and I'm at that point where I'm happy. I'm happy as I am. If I meet someone, great. But there's no rush, because I'm happy as I am. So I guess all in all, I didn't answer his question because it's all dependent on you, the person. But I think if you really want to meet somebody, it gets harder as you get older because you've got to get used to the new way of living, the whole digital online age, which is difficult when you're at a certain age. But on the other end, if you're not desperate to meet somebody and you want to learn how to be happy on your own, I think that's easier as you get older. I really do. So, just some things to think about, really. I thought it was just a really interesting question, and I think he's really struggling at the moment being on his own, and I think he's looking for some hope that, oh, would this get easier when I got older? And he doesn't realise he's got years ahead of him yet. Years. But we are working on him being happy on his own. Or being able to be happy on your own, rather. So, yeah, let me know what you think anyway. Let me know in the comments, how old are you, and what are the challenges you face about being on your own at your age? Has it got easier or has it got harder? Do you find the same challenges that I face? Yeah, let me know in the comments, I'd be interested to know. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name's Andy O'Neill. I'm a life coach who coaches people through breakups, self-esteem, confidence issues, just basically how to live your best life when you doubt yourself, when you don't think you're enough, and how you can change that. Sorry, the dog's pulling me all over the place. So yeah, if you're new here, consider subscribing. Release videos every week or so around positivity and self-esteem and confidence and heartbreak recovery, but also documenting my own journey through life, really. How do I get to be happy? So yeah, welcome if you're new, and look forward to seeing you in the next. Laters.